Here we are guys, that the Bitcoin price prediction here. So as you see that the Bitcoin weekly candle here it just closed today, and Bitcoin give us here like a pin bar in the weekly or a hammer here in the weekly guys. If you see it here, if I come and zoom it here, you see that one here, or you see that green candle here, that one. It's a bullish hammer in the weekly. We just touch here that 200 moving average in the weekly guys. We got a lot of things here in the weekly. Second thing, we got a bullish divergence here in the weekly. Now the question, is it in your head guys? Did that here, that 59k we touch here is the bottom? Or the Bitcoin is going to dump more than that, because that's what we are going to discuss, and we give you for both scenarios, if it's going to break and to dump more, or is going to recover from here. So that's what we are going to discuss in today's video. By the way guys, before we continue it, we want that video to reach to 100 likes if it's possible, and you like our content guys, please support that channel. We don't ask you for nothing, just to smash that like button which is down. So please go ahead and do it. You done it? Thank you very much. So guys, as I told you here, we got here a bullish sign here in the weekly, in the 200 moving average in the weeklies. We got a lot of things here. Number one, we can draw here. That one here is going to be like a wage guys. You see that one here is a wage in the weekly here, and that one, if we break it here, we're going to see the Bitcoin pumping from here and maybe going to break even that 120k we reach to it. That number one scenario, what we got here in our indicators guys, because even that one is very important. Let me show you. Number one, in the RSI guys, you see it here, we got a very clear bullish divergence here. Let me show it to you by my chart me. As you see it guys, you see that one here, we got a very clear bullish divergence here guys. You see it here is a very clear bullish divergence in the RSI guys. And technically always when we got a bullish divergence in the weekly, that the bottom guys. I can go back and show you the past. You can even you by yourself go and see it, that what the market telling us at this time, and that what the past cycles telling us guys. So what that meant, that 59k is the bottom guys, based on a lot of data guys. Yes, we are too close. The only thing here, that MACD here, it's look like going to dump guys, so we need to be careful from that one here. I'm talking here about the weekly guys. Today it happened a lot of data, that's why we saw the market recover very quickly, but let's see what's going to happen in the coming hours. That's the only things I can say here. Now let's go into see the coming news for all the week guys. The coming news for all the week guys, as you see it, Monday we don't got nothing. Tuesday, what we got? Tuesday we got Bank of Japan interest rate decision of the Aussie. Then Wednesday, what we got? As you see it guys, that Wednesday here. Wednesday we got inflation data in UK, retail sales of USA, Fed interest rate decision guys, it's coming in Wednesday, plus the press conference guys. So that the news we got is a very important week, so be careful from those things guys. Thursday, what we got? We got the Bank of England interest rate decision, Philadelphia Fed manufacturing index, and initial jobless claim. Friday we got a holiday guys, so that the news we got that week. Base here on our friend the WEEX. Fair here is 17 guys. That's man high fair a little bit, but also we touch the bottom guys. That's very important. If you want, even for stock market guys, you want our signals, you can join the elite over there. You're going to get signals in the gold and those things. Now let's go into see it Bitcoin in daily guys. Here we are guys, the Bitcoin here in daily actually giving us here a very good sign here, telling us that zone here. Also we talk about it a lot here, that zone, so we don't need to repeat things. We telling us that zone is a very stronger zone. Even that small double bottom here is getting broke. We're going to show it to you when we reach into smaller time frames. The only thing, there is a catch here guys. What is it that catch? If you're looking here at the 20 moving average, which is exactly at 66,450 for at that time when also we recording. But if you look here, look at that place here where I draw that arrow with green, what you got guys there? It's been a support, guys. It's getting broke. Now it's become a resistance. Look at it, guys. And now you are in it. The same resistance here. Did the Bitcoin going to break that 20 moving average and that resistance there? That's what we're going to see, guys. If it's going to be a short, also in smaller time frames, that's our job. If you are a long-term investor, you wait if the market going to give you another correction down or no, but based on the weekly, it doesn't look there is a smaller correction or something, but let's see. Everything is possible, guys, based on pure price action here. What we got that zone here with a small dim trend here. We are in it, guys, as you see it here. So even that one, it needs to be broke for us to catch along. So I think I explained everything here based on USDT dominance. So what we got, guys, USDT dominance, you remember also we used to tell you we got here a double top, guys, that one here, and it touched here a historical high. It's break it, guys, here. So what you got here in USDT dominance, you can draw that one here like a smaller triangle, but guys, you need to be careful of that one. Maybe going to give you here a bullish flag, guys. I'm talking here about USDT dominance, and if we break in that last high here, that man, our crypto market is well dumped. So even that one, put it aside. Now let's go into see the Ethereum, guys. Here we are, guys. The Ethereum here given us here that triangle. Actually, the Ethereum here couldn't break the neckline here of that double bottom as we've been talking about. You remember it, guys? So what we got here, we got a triangle, and that triangle here, we can draw it, guys, like that, like a peanut here. It means if we break in the low here, guys, we are going to see the market dumping more than that. So I think I explained everything here. Now let's go into see the Bitcoin we're doing today in 4 hours, guys. Here we are, guys. The Bitcoin here in 4 hours actually doing very good thing here. It's breaking the neckline here of the double bottom as we used to talking about before. You remember, guys, also we used to tell you, guys, we got here a double bottom which is like that. We take it off those moving averages for you to understand what also we're talking about. Also we used to tell you, guys, we got here like a double bottom here. You can see it in all the past videos that the double bottom, guys, the double bottom is getting broke like that. You see it here that the double bottom is getting broke. Technically telling us the Bitcoin will go more higher, guys. To where? That's the question, guys, because if you're looking with me here, when we add then the 100 moving average, also now we are in the 100 moving average, guys, which is exactly at 65,545, guys. At this time, also we are in that 100 moving average. Now what we can do here, there is many price actions we can draw here, guys. Number one, we can draw here like a bearish flag, guys. You see the one here, we can draw it here like a bearish flag, like that. The one here, it's a bearish flag, guys. So technically you need to be careful from that bearish flag like that. If we break in the low of it here in my chart, me what I got, guys, I still have the target here. May I tell it to you, maybe we are going to 68,430, but guys, you need to be careful about that zone here of 67,312. It's a very stronger zone, guys. That for long, for short, if we fall down and we break in 62,908, that means the market is going to dump more than that, guys. If you find the analysis late or you haven't understand, you want just someone to tell you when to enter, you don't want to give yourself headache analyzing the chart to stay in front of the chart 24/7, welcome to the family, my friend. The link of our Patreon, you're going to find it down in the description of that video. Go join our VIP Discord, and over there you're going to find much analysis there, if you are interested, of course. Now we're going to see Bitcoin we're doing today in 30 minutes. Here we are, guys. In 30 minutes we got here a up channel here. We just touched the top of it here, as you see it, 65,700. We just touched the top of that channel here. Now the question, did the Bitcoin going to continue going more upward, or from here we are going to dump again to test the low of that channel, which is roughly at 64,500? That's what we are going to show you, guys, because if you're looking here at our indicators, guys, the RSI is at the extreme overbought area, but we are thinking, guys, also we are going to that 68k I just show you in 4 hours. I think I explained everything, guys. So that's it for that video, and please, guys, don't forget to subscribe in the channel and smash that like button. See you in another video, guys. Bye for now.